Before we get started, subscribe to my channel. Let me tell you here about this towel. It's a tracker. You put this in your wallet in case you lose your wallet. You can track where your wallet at. And right off the bat, I'm gonna tell you, do not waste your money. And it pisses me off. A lot of people do advertising for this particular stuff because they're getting paid to do advertising, saying that this work, this do that. I hate that. I'm not gonna advertise nothing for somebody that I haven't tried out and it works. If it do not work, I tell you it do not work. So if you want me to advertise something for you and you're gonna pay me, I'm gonna tell you the truth about it. So this towel right here, and if you get that smart tracker, I'm gonna show you how this thing works. You can download the app, and the app looks like this right here, where it says towel, and it walks you through the process on how to link it up and all that stuff. It's pretty simple. Put your phone close by, but it's 100 videos out there showing you how to do it. But the problem is, this thing, I'm gonna show you right here. It works probably within 100, 200 feet. You click on the towel. Say for instance, you got this in your wallet. Say I got this in my wallet. And I wanna track, I can't find my wallet. I hit find my wallet. And I hit find. And it'll give you that little sound right there. So it's good within 100, 200 feet. And when you're done, you just hit done. But this smart alert right here, this what I was trying to contact them, and you have to pay for this smart alert. It says whenever you leave your wallet or wherever you leave this towel behind, it'll send you an alert whenever you get out of the distance, maybe 300-400 feet, to say, hey, you left your wallet at home or you left your bag at home. This thing do not work. I paid the $29 and I tried it a few times. I left my wallet or I left this card home on purpose, and I drove 2, 3, 4, 5 miles and I did not get an alert. It do not work. So I'm just making this video for you guys. Do not waste your money on this thing right here. It's good within 200-300 feet. And if you hit your find mine, if you about 200 feet away, you ain't gonna hear this. So if you drive off, if you pay for this service, and I'm gonna click on it, it says smart alerts, and you see I got it on because I paid the $29. It's not that much, $29 a year, or you can pay the $99 a year. And it also has some stuff on here, once you pay the location history. I don't want no location history. You can get that from your phone. Your phone tells you everywhere you're going. The only reason I purchased that $29 or $30, whatever you want to call it, I wanted the smart alert because a few times I have left home without my wallet, and I got to a certain place and it's time to pay. I don't have my wallet. My wife said I do it on purpose. I leave my wallet home on purpose, but no, I didn't. So I would like to get an alert as soon as I get out of range, saying, hey, you left that wallet at home or you left your bag. And this thing do not work. I seen some guy made a video saying that once he got a mile away, it sent him an alert saying, hey, you left your wallet at home, and he's a mile away. But he was paid to do a commercial for them. And like I said, I went 5-10 miles away and this thing still never worked. So if anybody out there know how to get this towel smart alerts to work, let me know. And any companies out there that want me to do videos for you about certain stuff, and if it don't work, I'm gonna tell my subscribers it do not work. So don't bother wasting your time sending me anything or trying to pay me to do videos for things that do not work, because I'm gonna tell people it do not work. So towel, this thing is junk. But this little towel also have a little button right here. You could double click it in case you couldn't find your phone or lost your phone. You just double click. And you see your phone start making this sound. Once you find it, just swap up, should go off. But anyway, it's a piece of junk. So don't waste your money in this. I bought 2 of them and I'm sending them back. I bought them about a month ago and maybe I can get my money back for these things. So I just made this video just to let you guys know, do not waste your money on this piece of crap. It do not work. So throw this away. And thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel, and have a great day.